Are you tired of cold lunches ruining your day? Meet the CozyExpert Electric Lunch Box. This little gadget ensures every meal feels like a hug from home. Forget the forlorn microwave queue at work. With this lunchbox, your food is always perfectly warm, and your office mates are green with envy. Featuring dual compartments, this lunchbox is the Picasso of meal separation. Let's face it, no one wants their salad tasting like their spaghetti sauce. Plug it in at your desk, and voila! A hot, delicious meal is ready, transforming lunch hour into your exclusive mini restaurant experience. It's not just a lunchbox, it's a life upgrade. Imagine savoring last night's dinner masterpiece without losing its soul to fridge chill. The portability? Top notch. With a sleek modern look, it's your lunchtime cavalier, turning mundane lunch breaks into moments of flavorful bliss. Next up, cleaning. Dreading oily residue? Not here. Its detachable containers make cleanup as breezy as the fresh aroma wafting from your lunch. Engineered with a robust, leak-proof design, it ensures your meal and your favorite tote bag stay perfectly intact from kitchen to desk. The material? Safe and high quality, keeping your food free from unwanted chemicals. Because frankly, that's one less worry for the modern gourmand. Whether it's a comforting soup or a hearty stew, it reliably warms it all, reminding you of the warmth of home even miles away. This tool is your kitchen's best-kept secret. Unbox, plug, and savor the simplicity of a beautiful, warm meal anywhere you go. Perfect for hectic days, whispering promises of delightful culinary treats, it decisively slays the monotony of everyday lunches. Experience the joy of a cooked meal, not just on weekends. Trust us. Your taste buds will write you a thank you note. Ready to transform your lunch life? Follow the link in the description to grab yours now and redefine what lunch means to you.